White's Bluff Wharf Road.
Yep.
And here we come to a very big wharf right here.
She's a big old sucker.
Yeah, long reach. Beautiful views right here on Long Reach. Wow. And we're going to check out a beautiful wharf right over here. Wow, incredible. What a large steamship wharf right here along Long Reach. And this is White's Bluff Wharf. And there's been a lot of work being done to this wharf. I'll zoom in to those pillars right here along the right hand side. You can see that they're fairly more current than the one right here in front. There's the sign right there, White's Bluff Wharf, and we are here. We pan the camera around and look at the extension of the wharf. Wow, it is a long one. And I'll tell you, it does go from high to low water wharf at quite an angle.
Oh, it's got the cool thing.
Close with the pillar.
Oh, the pillars have like a dip.
Yes, they do.
Oh.
You can see the little O-rings on the decking as well. Lots of places to tie up next to the old steamer ships. Beautiful wharf right here. So we're on our way to yet another wharf along the St. John River.
Yeah.
Right here on Long Reach. And yeah, that's a big beauty right there, I'll tell you.
Oh my
I have no problem chopping over to Digby.
I wonder if we're gonna, these are probably all right now.
So we're on our way down to see Bedford Wharf, another wharf along the St. John River, and as we said, Long Reach. And this one here kind of looks like a mini-sized version of the previous wharf we looked at, White's Bluff. It's got the L shape, but wow.
I wonder what's...
Unbelievable. Stay with us. And as we descend a pretty steep hill, and there's the sign right there, Laura. So it's part of the society, so it's cared for, and still very much really usable.
Look, oh my goodness. Oh, look at
Beautiful, beautiful sign right here.
We gotta come back here when the friggin' water's out.
Yeah. Bedford Wharf. Right here on the Steamship Wharves of the St. John River. What a beauty, too.
Wow.
But once again, we are...
It says it right in the... Oh, cute.
Oh, yeah, it's right in the concrete pillar.
Oh, my
Bedford.
goodness.
Hopefully we can get a date. So there you have it, Bedford Wharf, 1931. And we pan the camera this way. Beautiful view again. Unbelievable weather for March. But as you can see, L-shaped wharf. But the water, as spring has sprung, it's definitely starting to rise. Very remarkable. Waters are starting to rise as it is spring now. Wide open though. Hopefully no ice damage to any of the summer residents. But what a beautiful wharf right here, Bedford.
She's like...
Beautiful. And the views are just breathtaking.
Phenomenal, man.
Breathtaking. Upper St. John River Valley looking back at you. What we got here? Crystal Beach?
Oh, I don't think it's... Yeah, I don't think it's this road. I think it's next.
This is interesting. We are in the backyards.
Yeah, I think it's, oh no, no, this might be right. This might be right.
Well, nonetheless, you see a couple of mobiles here in front of us.
Yeah.
Very interesting. They make lovely cottages, I'll tell you, if you can refurbish them properly. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Well insulated, too.
So we're going the right way.
So here we go, again, descending down a dirt road into a very unique steamship wharf right here at Crystal Beach.
Hopefully. Yep.
As I'll tell you, spring is pretty rough on the old roads.
Oh, she is.
Yeah, Pothole City right here.
Holy snap.
And, wow. here we are approaching this wharf, and a lot of unique and vintage cottages cover the shoreline, and it's a bridge right across the way there, Laura. Look at that.
We got a, oh my!
Steel structure, yeah.
Oh, the oh.
Yeah, that's the Belize Lighthouse right over there.
Oh, wait, look. Oh, right here. Oh, dang, look at that. Oh.
Let's take a little zoom in here. Get the background
Okay, so
check, and there it is, Belize Lighthouse. Wow, unbelievable.
They're fucking loons. They were loons, I'm pretty sure. No, they weren't. Yes, they were. No, they weren't.
Yeah, now they're airborne.
All
Alright, so according to the map, Crystal Beach, Harding's Point, beautiful old steamship wharf right here, and we're going to take an up-close look at this beauty right here on Long Reach. Once again, as we pan across, beautiful Bellier Lighthouse. Very well-defined wharf right here, Crystal Beach. And it's Harding's Point wharf right here. Beautiful old steamer. And you can definitely see over the years the sand has really built up here along this side. Unbelievable. Little step down here along the side for the lower boats to be accommodated, and then once again a lower step to accommodate even lower boats. Day's Landing.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, see, 1920 something. Yeah.
Well, that's very unfortunate, but 1920, we'll take a guess. It could be anywhere from 1925 to 29.
Oh.
Well, Laura caught it right there on the ramp in the center of the wharf.
And here.
1929, and then once again right over there. So the date's clearly labeled, or 28, excuse me. And what a beautiful wharf right here. Swing back around to the other pillar, and once again, Day's Landing along Long Reach on the St. John River. Beautiful old steamer wharf.